a pleasant day everyone. Welcome po sa ating Productivity Tips and Tricks channel. This will be our very first video talking on productivity software. In this video, we will create table of contents with the help of heading. Questions are, what is heading in MS Word, why do we need to set headings, and how do we set headings? Heading make text stand out and help people scan your document. We can access that in the Home tab, specifically in the Styles option. Using headings will help us create table of contents and find specific information in the document quickly. Let's take this document as an example. Suppose we intend to create table of contents from this document. Normally we do this by typing the titles and corresponding page number, and we achieve it by scrolling the entire document. This could work, but what if you have a lot of pages in your document? It would take you time to get it done, right? That is where heading comes in handy. But it should be set from the very start we are composing this document. Let's go back to this document, and let me show you how we set headings to help us create a table of contents in no time. In the first paragraph, we have this title, and we want it to appear in the table of contents, as well as the subtitle in the succeeding paragraph. Well, we only need to highlight the title and click on heading 1. Then we highlight the subtitles and click heading 2. We repeat each process in the next titles and subtitles. Once done, we can now go back to our first page where we intend to put our table of contents. Now we click Reference tab, then click Table of Contents. A drop-down menu will appear and we should click Automatic Table 2. And there you go. You just created a table of contents smartly and can be updated automatically. Ang kagandahan po nito is that whenever we change content in the titles or subtitles in the document, we will no longer be editing the table of contents one by one. Once we are done revising the titles or subtitles, we can head back to the table of content and just click Update Table and click either Page Only or Entire Table. And it will incorporate all the changes made in your entire document. Also, one more thing, if we are going to click on the left bottom corner labeled page, a navigation pane will appear, and from here you will be able to view each headings or titles you set, and by clicking each, it will jump or bring you to that specific page. Very smart, right? Well, if you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and tricks videos. If you want certain tips to be tackled on our future videos, then make sure to drop on the comments below. Should you need a personalized tutorial on any productivity software, then you may reach us through the contact details in the description below or in our YouTube channel banner. Salamat karadyo sa inyong oras and stay tuned on the next one.